Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix command prompt error 740 in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, you need to proceed at the button search bar and type for CMD. Once you've typed it, the best match should appear, which is the command prompt system. And at the right side of that, you can see there are a list of the options such as open, run as administrator, open file location, pin to stored, and pin to taskbar. So the reason why you face an error is that you have clicked on open. So in order to fix the problem, it is very a must or crucial to click on run as administrator. Running as administrator means that you have a complete access and any command text that you are going to type under the command prompt will work out. So you won't be able to face error like command prompt error 740 the moment you're using this command prompt. Okay? The moment you click on it, can run as administrator, your user account control would notify you if you would like to allow this device to make any changes. Just click on yes. And eventually, when you type any text here like cd space dot dot, click on enter, it will now work out. So you won't be able to see any error here the moment you type any command text here in your command prompt as administrator. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.